Hello gardening friends, let me show you the fall crops that I planted in the garden yesterday. I cleared and planted this area, and I planted some plants that were already started by a local nursery. Here is some lettuce, that's romaine, green romaine and red romaine. I did put some seeds in too. I planted some of these carrots, the rainbow carrots. I planted some broccoli. And I planted 3 collards. Southern collards. I'm in the south, so I planted southern collards. And what are these? More broccoli, I think. Yeah, those are more broccoli. Here's some Egyptian spinach that I did not tear out. And here are some of my persimmons that are getting ripe. They're gonna be ripe enough to be sweet soon. And I also did plant some onions, onion sets, the little bulbs. And I planted some garlic. Make sure that you're subscribed so you can come back to see how these things grow. So I hope you can get out in your garden today and go grow.